Hey family, welcome back to another video with your favorite auntie. I don't know why that tickles me so bad. Anyway, y'all, welcome back to another flip. Fun fact about these 3 pieces that I'll be flipping, but to start these 2, I actually picked these pieces out over 20 years ago for my aunt, who at the time her house had burnt down, or it had caught on fire. It didn't burn all the way down, but it had caught on fire and it sustained a lot of damage. Anyway, she had to start all over. And so this was one of the first pieces that we picked out, or I picked out for her daughter, my little cousin, over 20 years ago. Now, my little cousin gave it to her daughters when she started having her baby girls, and now it's coming back to me to get flipped because they are moving on. They are getting new things and letting go of old things from the past. And so here I am, just checking all the things out. I'm going to flip this piece. Not sure yet if I'm gonna flip it for profit or if I'm gonna flip it and put it back in the family. Not sure yet. Either way, I'll keep you guys posted. But the flips are always the same. Just follow along if you're interested in actually learning how to do flips. Very easy. I ain't gonna say very easy because it's not always very easy. It's a little bit hard sometimes. Anyway, I'm going to be scuff sanding and painting this piece. Didn't feel like doing a lot of detail. I will be also changing out the hardware, which you will also see a little bit later on in the clip. That's what I'm doing here. I'm actually closing off the holes using some Bondo, because sometimes less is more. And if you remember what it just looked like, it just had the smaller knobs on each side, which seemed to be a, kind of a lot. And so we had leftover hardware from our kitchen cabinets, and it's perfect. I'm just going to use that right on here. I'm going to spray paint that. You'll see all that I think later on in this video. Also in this video, I will be preparing for grandson's 2nd birthday party that will be hosted here in what was a day away from this video. So yeah, just enjoy the video.
I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. The one that I can live without.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transit, going go. I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. And jump to rise, not fall. You flying higher. You jump to fly higher. Open up to spread your wings and jump to rise, not fall. You flying higher. You jump to fly higher. Standing on the edge while you're looking down. Fly down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies, won't ya? Standing on the edge while you're looking down. Fly down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies. To yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love.
Y'all know my mama had no idea that I was recording, child, but any chance I get to record her, I'm gonna record. And what you gonna do about it, mama? Nothing, because you don't even look at the internet. So, ha ha ha.
Really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be lights on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, done with my own doubts.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you